My name is Sarah Anne Kauffman, and I'm an undergraduate admission counselor at the University of Miami. Today, I'm going to share with you what we are expecting when it comes to your letter of recommendation. This letter provides us with a further layer of context to your application and helps us learn more about you and why you would be a great candidate for admission at the University of Miami. We only require one letter of recommendation, which must be from a school counselor or teacher at the high school level. You may submit more than one letter. However, as mentioned before, only one is required as part of the application process. Remember that context is key. We are looking for a letter from someone who can speak to your academic ability and overall potential both inside and outside of the classroom. If you're having a difficult time determining who you should ask to write a letter on your behalf, please feel free to reach out to your assigned admission counselor. The contact information can be found on our website, admissions.miami.edu. Hope to see you soon, and don't forget, it's all about the you.